Hi guys, Pickbeard here. Tonight for you I have a 6-pin no-name Euro. Half of one anyway. Let's get him picked. Go in and see what we can get. I'm going to use sort of fairly heavy tension actually for this. Just because if it's really light I can't get a lot of feel from it. So there's a bit of a turn on the core already. There's another bit. Sort of keep progressing like this really. Trying to give counter there, but I'm not overly sure it's that one. Let's go to pin 1, see what we've got there. Nothing there. Click off 2, a bit more of a turn. Let's try the back of the lock. A little bit of 6 there. Some clicks and a little bit of counter rotation, but no, I'm tempted to say it doesn't have spools, or not very well defined spools, shall we say, but we'll find out because I'll try and cut this at the end, as long as it's not a really long video, which it shouldn't be. It dropped a pin, but I think that's my only stupidity. No. There we go. I haven't drawn pin 4, I think that was. There we go. Picked open. So let's get this opened up. Get the clip off. Hopefully. Try and do this all in shot. Just in shot, yeah. Be careful not to bugger it up because we've got no key. So that's that there. Turn that way. Let's get a follower. Is that one going to go? Yep. I didn't mess it up. Thank God for that. Right, hang on. Clear its space. Let's put that there. I know you're not seeing this, but I'd rather do it without dropping pins everywhere. Right, here we go. So, tweezers, raw. Put that there. Let's go with key pins. A couple near the shear line, but they all seem to be underneath, and there looks to be a little bit of milling going on in there. So that's pin 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's nice to see it's totally populated as well. So that's a bit of a closer look there. So yeah, and anti-drill at the front as well. So that's nice. Let's have a quick look at one of the key pins. Nicely worn, bit of fluff on there, but as you can see, tapered. So that will play a decent part in it. And just pick another one at random. Number 3 should be tapered as well. So all seem to be tapered. So that's good. So let's focus in a bit there, and let's see what we've got in here. And one's a standard. Choose a, is that a mushroom or is that a spool? That is a mushroom pin. I'll show you that one at the end. So 2's a mushroom, 3's a spool, 4's a spool, 5 is standard, and 6 is a standard. And it also has a different spring in one to the rest of them. Go and get him out. Come out, come on you git. Let's just dump it out. Okay. One's a steel spring and the rest I think are all copper. Yep. Look at that when he rolled into place. What's going on in there? Anything on? Nothing. Nothing going on. I didn't bother shining a torch in there, but nothing going on in there. No countermilling or anything in there. So let's have a bit of a closer look at the pins. So number 2 driver, that is a mushroom pin which people are trying desperately to find in locks, especially ones that state they have mushroom pins in it. But that is definitely a tapered mushroom pin. So I'm quite glad I found that one. And then we've got, so in 1 standard, 2 mushroom, 3 spool, 4 spool, 5 a standard, 6 a standard. And there's the different steel spring there in one, opposed to all the other copper ones throughout. So there you go, guys. Tapered key pins and a mushroom in 2 and spool in 3 and 4. I think that's everything. I don't think there's any other funny looking pins. No. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry for a long video. Big Beard out.